Hello friends, once again welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. As you know very well, just in Maharashtra board, that board exam which is commencing from 29th April. It is too late. आपको मालूम है था लेट क्यों हो गया है due to the corona pandemic, and therefore this time lot of changes are also there. So therefore it is very important that you must know about what changes are being made by the board. Now see on the screen what I have written. This special video I have made especially just to clarify the reduced portion and the format, and very important that is the time management and the marking scheme of the question paper. Time management, why I am talking, because this time 3.5 hours is given to you. अच्छी बात है, ज़्यादा टाइम मिलेगा, you can score well. टाइम ज़्यादा क्यों दिया है? बिकॉज कोरोना पेंडेमिक की वजह से स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत लॉस हुआ है, ऑफलाइन क्लास ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाया, उन्होंने ऑनलाइन ही ज़्यादा अटेंड किया है. तो देयर फॉर गवर्नमेंट हैज़ गिवन स्पेशली this half an hour extra especially for those students. Okay, before I have to proceed, let me say one thing. If you have not subscribed my channel Raj Grammar Center, please subscribe it, like it, share with your friends, it might be useful for them. Now come to the topic. Yeah, see on the screen. Yeah, is this year you know very well in the text part many lessons just they are okay, many lessons has been omitted, and if you'll see total 4 units are there, and whatever is being highlighted, see, okay, that is the these lessons are not in the syllabus portion. Now see total 14 plus 5 I have written starting, check it. 14 plus 5, why I have written 14 plus 5? Listen, 14 prose part, prose lessons, and 5 poems, total 19. Only these you have to study. So this year this facility is given to you especially due to the this corona problem. So total only 5 poems. Why I highlighted this part? खाली 5 poem क्यों पढ़ना है? The reason is behind that. Later whenever the poetry question part will come, I will clarify that part. Now see. So 14 plus 5, 19, that is the text part you have to study, not all. Whatever has been the listen, whatever is in this rectangular part, please you will not study that one. Come to the main point. Your 80 marks paper is there and they are giving 3.5 hours. That one, see the weightage. 30 marks, that is the textual part is there, and 25 marks writing skill, very important last part, and remaining 25 marks, that is the other things, non-textual grammar, everything is there. So here what I am saying, that is the 30 marks here the given especially for your text part, and for this 30 mark you have to go through all these lessons. 14 plus 5, 14 lessons and 5 poems, total 19. That thing you have to keep in your mind. Okay, yeah. Now we'll check the what type of question paper will be there. Already I made earlier videos, but this one I made especially regarding the different timing. 3.5 hours is there, so due to that I made some changes. Now see, first part in the paper, that is language study, will be there. I'll teach in brief because in details already my previous videos are there. On the basis of this timing now, just I'm clarifying. First thing is here, remember one thing. First the grammar part, that is called the language study. That will come for you 10 marks. A part, A1 4, okay, 4 marks, A2 4 marks, and B for 2 marks. Okay, and you have to listen. Total timing you are getting 3.5 is 210 minutes. Out of 210 minutes, 15 minutes you have to keep for what? Language study. If you want to complete the paper, please follow our guidelines. And in grammar part, of course here the any form of choice will be there. One extra sentence will be given to you. What might come? Okay, and which one chances are more here? Here what I am saying, these topics I given you. Total 6 are there. Out of 6, anyone might come. So here the choice will be there. Like this, see the compound words, make meaningful sentence, pick out infinitive, gerund, participle, spot the error, find the hidden words, identify the type of sentence. But type of sentence means, remember it, affirmative, negative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Don't think about the simple compound complex. Okay, so here is the what simple questions are here, easier questions are here, therefore this is called the simple level. Yeah. Now see the next. B. Yeah. Before B, some other topics are also there, which might come in the first part. Complete the word chain of noun, verb, adjective. So here you have to make the chain of only noun, verb, adjective, whatever question is given. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order. That you know very well. Since primary class you are doing. Form present or past participle where the last letter is doubled. It is very important. Present participle or the past participle. Already you might have seen my videos. Okay. Now come to the next one. That is the here the A2. It is the medium level. Attempt any 2. 4 marks. Here also choice they are giving you. Why the medium level means little difficulty level is just we are not rising. Make 2 sentences to your own, so difference of homophone and homograph. Word will be given to you and you have to frame 2 sentences. Conversion of tenses. Present, past, past, future, whatever they might give you. Direct and indirect speech, change the voice. Make a word register of 4 words based on the given word. So here if I will guide you in this one, which one might be easier for you in the paper? This one. Homograph also might be easier for you, as well as conversion of tenses also, change the voice also, word register also. Direct and indirect might be little difficult for you. So I will suggest you to go through all these things. Already here what is the any 2 is there, no? So better for you this one. Word register is too easy, and homophone and homograph that you can do. Yeah. After that it might be a longer video because the whole paper I have covered here. Yeah. Now come to the B, where the difficult level will be little bit higher. B, challenging activities. Of course, challenging word is indicating what? That the typical part might be there. See, use of same given word as a noun as well as the verb in the different sentences. Here what I am saying, one word will be given to you and frame 2 sentences where that word first used as a noun and later used as a verb. Second one is pick out modal auxiliary, state its function and degrees of comparison. Analyze, synthesize, transformation of sentences. Here you have to know, here what will come? Simple, compound, complex. Change from simple to compound, compound to complex. And last one, use in 2 given words is a single meaningful sentence. It's very easy. So here if I will talk about the easier level activities, so I will guide you, go through this one. Modal auxiliary very easy you can do. Degree also you can do. And this last one also very easy. Here difficulty level might come here the noun and the verb. Students mostly ना make the verb actually. Sentence verb आएगा बना लेंगे. But problem किधर आता है? In noun वाला. And here also the simple compound complex also they face some trouble. So here 3 are okay. That is better for you can do. Yeah. And already I gave you the timing. Total within 50 minutes, 1-5. You have to complete first part. Otherwise what will happen, you will students shout that yes, they cry, time is not there, I lost my okay, I just 20 marks paper was remaining. Okay, so before lot of questions might arise, you have to complete everything at proper time. Yeah. Now we will come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is what? From here we are starting the textual part. See, passages will be there. Yeah. Textual passages, and here you are getting 2 questions, right? 2 passages will be there. Remember it, Unit number 1, 2, first passage, second A, and from unit 3 and 4, B. So total 10 plus 10, 20 marks we are getting from the prose part. And what I am saying, earlier we are giving only 15 minutes. Now I am suggesting you have to just give 20 minutes. You are getting lot of time this time. आपको इतना time मिल रहा है, पहला 180 मिनट्स होता था, अभी 210 मिनट्स दे रहे हैं, 30 मिनट बढ़ा के दिया, उसको यूटिलाइज करो. सो हियर इज व्हाट गिव 20 मिनट्स फॉर ईच एंड सी द स्प्लिट. Okay, just split the marks. Out of 10 marks, what will you do? Listen, simple factual questions. Simple factual questions what might come like complete the wave, true, false, match the pairs, right? Complete the sentence. This is very scoring. Huh? Here you will get full marks. That is why you have to do by anyway this first one. Then complex factual questions. Here sometimes they give only one question or sometimes give you one mark, two questions. So depend upon them. This is easier you can do. Third is the base of vocabulary. Vocabulary what they might give you synonym, antonym, make noun, make verb, that type. Or find the one word will be given to you and you have to find out that meaning will be given to you. Find out the word from the passage. ये थोड़ा दिमाग खाएगा. What will you do? उसको थोड़ा सा देखो, आंसर उसका आंसर आपको मतलब मीनिंग दिया रहेगा, उसका वर्ड आप फाइंड करो पैसेज से. Based on the contextual grammar. What I am saying is very important. Contextual grammar. Please watch my previous videos where I made separate video for the contextual grammar. ग्रामर पैसेज में क्या आएगा, जो लैंग्वेज स्टडी वाले में क्या था आपका, लैंग्वेज स्टडी वाले में जो ग्रामर दिया था उसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रामर इधर रिपीट होता है, नहीं तो ये पूरा अलग है. तो हियर आल्सो ग्रामर वी आर गेटिंग 2 मार्क्स. सो उधर कितना मार्क्स का ग्रामर था 15 और यहाँ पे 2 मार्क्स का 3 पैसेज आने वाला है, एक अनसीन 2 सीन और पोएम में भी. सो टोटल 6 + 8 15, नियर अबाउट 22-23 मार्क्स ग्रामर वी आर गेटिंग. कॉन्टेक्चुअल ग्रामर हियर. Okay, the grammar will be from the given passage, 2 marks. Okay, 2 sentences will be there. Next is the person response type, very important, 2 marks. Here remember it. Here your handwriting is good, content is good. याद रखना, कोई 1.5 से ऊपर देने वाला नहीं बोर्ड में. 1.5, I know, I am examiner, I know very well. Okay, that 1.5 will get here. Full marks नहीं मिलते. So here what I am saying, but don't write too much here. 4-5 lines enough, 3-4 lines enough, but some students write half page. Sorry, that is totally wrong. So 4-5 lines are enough for you. And this is what is a person response type. Here you have to, what do you think about the passage that write. Okay, आप पैसेज में क्या लिखो, पैसेज के हिसाब से लिखना है. इसके अंदर आप क्या फील, आप क्या महसूस करते हो उसके बारे में, आपका अपना विचार क्या है, व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन अबाउट दैट. Next is the textual passage from unit number 3 and 4. What I written it, 10 marks and same as our. What is here? Same format is there, only passage will be different. So here what I am saying, 20 minutes try to give for the each 20. Okay. Now see. 1 minute. Yeah. Now see the next. Now section 3 will be here especially for the poem, poetry part. What I said, how many poems are there? 5. 14 plus 5, remember, इतना याद रखना, 5 poems are there. And out of 5, remember it, 1 poem will come for the passage and 1 will come for the critical appreciation, right? So what will you do? I am guiding regarding this one. Textual passage based on the poem. सेम थिंग, सिंपल फैक्चुअल एज आई टॉट इन द स्पेशली इन द टेक्स्ट पार्ट, और टेक्स्ट में प्रोज पार्ट बताया था ना, सेम थिंग इज देयर. सिंपल फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन, ट्रू फॉल्स दे माइट गिव यू, कंप्लीट द वेब माइट गिव यू, सेम टाइप एज वाज इन द प्रोज पार्ट. कॉम्प्लेक्स फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस हियर आल्सो 2 questions they might give you. Yeah, 2 questions might be there, or the match the pairs also might be there, depend upon them. And last is the base and vocabulary. Here vocabulary part I remember 2 things. याद रखना 2 चीज, figure of speech and rhyming scheme. ये 2 तो आना ही चाहिए. Okay, so what will you do? You have to, before the paper, just go through all poems and just see mostly which figure of speech might use more there. Next is the very scoring appreciation of the poem. Here you can get full marks, remember it. And see the split. Okay, splitting of marks for just 5. Now one thing I will guide you, 5 poems are there, no? Do one thing, only by heart now all 5 poems central idea or the theme. 100% you will get full marks here. Why I am saying, listen, title will be given to you, फोकट का आधा नंबर मिलने वाला, ले लो. पोएट का भी आधा नंबर उधर मिलेगा, हाफ मार्क you will get. Now the rhyme scheme is there, just by only reading the poem you can understand. Figure of speech also, yes. If you have read the poem, yes, you might find out that. Now only one part is here. Dekho, half of one. Okay, 3. Now the last is the theme or central idea. This is very important. Central idea, what I am saying, totally here the marking is required. Here you have to just by heart it. All 5 poems by heart before the paper. And out of 5, at least one will come here. So easily you might get here the out of 5, total 5 marks. Please remember it. And timing is what is 10 plus 10. Yeah, 10 minutes complete the poem, and 10 minutes for the appreciation of the poem. I think 10 minutes is enough for you. Okay. Next. Next here the non-textual part will be there. Here we are giving more time to you. Why giving more time? The reason is that because text is there, no, you know very well about the passages. आपको बताया था 14 लेसन है, 14 लेसन्स आर देयर, उसमें से 2 आने वाले हो. You have read the lessons, you know very well. Here is what the non-text part is there. You are unknown about it. So therefore, what will you do? Here, that is why what we did here. Your 30 minutes extra is there. No, that we adjusted here. 25 minutes. There, what I said. 20 minutes we gave for the syntax part. Here I am saying give 25 minutes. 25 minutes. No. First time you read the passage carefully. एक बार अच्छे से पढ़ो. If possible, underline the points. If they are allowing to you in the exam center. And second time, automatically you read the question, you will get the answer. So within 25 minutes you might complete. And this same thing is there as I told you, text part now, same thing is there. Whatever I clarified earlier. Question number 2 now, same pattern is there, only here the non-textual passage there. See, simple, factual, complex, factual, vocabulary, grammar, person response, same thing. It is totally same like question number 2. Next is very important, that is the summary writing. Is very scoring, but one thing remember it. 2 rules are for this one. 1/3 of the given passage. Why I am here giving only the 10 minutes? Because already once, twice you read the passage. So you might be getting the idea, especially about the passage. So here within 10 minutes you might complete. One thing is there, write only 1/3. Means suppose 20 lines passage there, at least 20 divided by 3, how much? 7. So 7 lines. But if you can write little bit more. 7 के जगह पे 10 लिख दिया तब भी चलेगा, no problem. But not more than that. And second thing is, don't split the paragraph. Whatever you are lining, either write 5 line or the 10 line, but don't change the paragraph. Everything should be within one paragraph. Yes. How is scoring this one? See, title. You have to frame title and write the, of course, because 1 mark is there given especially for the title. Then is the central idea or the theme. Central idea or the theme is there. By reading the passage you might understand that. That is the, here the 1 mark is given to you. Do one thing. For one best method I will give you. If you know very well about the simple, compound, complex sentences. See, complex sentences, what is there? We just, what we do? What a simple sentence is there, we have to just, what do? We have to expand it. We have to expand it, we make it bigger. Simple sentence is smaller, and whenever we make complex, it becomes bigger. Same way, what will you do? Make from complex to simple. Okay, whatever the bigger sentences are there, just to, what I am saying, just you have to reduce that. Automatically make simple sentences, we will get points. But don't copy same to same from the passage. Write only important points. And that is the use of appropriate language. Yes, your grammatical error will be checked. So grammatically it should be correct and all points should be there. So here the 5 marks you might get, especially from summary writing. If you are very good written, of course 4 marks they can give you. After that, yeah, next here just the writing skill will begin. Writing skill is very scoring, already I said earlier, because here the 5 questions we are getting. 5 questions, 5 marks, total 25 questions. Yeah, so here the 5 questions are there for 5 marks, means 25 marks. And here what will you do? You have to Earlier we are giving less time. Earlier we are giving only the 15 minutes. But now time extended, so therefore what I am saying, just here give 18 minutes for each. Okay, so why means here you are getting more time, so here you can score very well, and it's very scoring. One thing I will say you, in the board paper now, either write this one in starting or the last. Okay, but don't mix everything like one question from writing, one from passage. No, first if you are writing writing skill, first write question number 5 to 7. If writing skill, just complete, and then start the question number 1. This way you can do. Now come to the first one. Question number 5, that is the lecture writing. Formal, informal, both will be given to you. It depends upon you. Which one is better for you? You have to decide. And all parts should be there. Means like, because marks will be given on all important parts, especially of the letter, like sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, all three parts, intro, info, concluding paragraph, thanking you, and the subscription. If you are writing informal, only 5 parts will be there, you know very well. So you have to decide which one is better for me. Then question number 6A, information transfer. Non-verbal to verbal means diagram to paragraph, or verbal to non-verbal. That is the paragraph to diagram. Here both are okay. But if you want to complete quickly now, then I will say to you, just go through this one, non-verbal, because diagram you can draw easily. But there now all points should be there. So I know my experience is there. Students prefer this one more, non-verbal to verbal, because diagram is given and they nicely write the paragraph, right? And here also depend upon you. You are writing one para or the two para, depend upon you. Okay, but one thing is there, don't write only one para, write it a bit more. Then is the question number 6B, view, counter view, or the speech writing. Here you have to select which one, we have to pick out which one is better for you, view, counter view, or the speech writing. But for the scholar students, I say view, counter view is better for them, but others now, and I know most of the students prefer speech writing. And view, counter view, what is there, points will be given to you. Either write the elaborate the view or write the counter view. Please don't be confused. Here two types questions might be there. First is points will be given to you, elaborate the view. Like online study is good. Some 4 points will be given to you. And if it is written, अगर लिखा रहेगा उधर view, elaborate the view, मतलब वही points को, that same point you have to elaborate. And if it is written the write the counter view, then write opposite of that. Opposite of that means what type of answers might be there? Like no, I am not agree that offline classes are better than online because if facing the class and face-to-face interaction with the teacher, that is better for us. So these things you might add there. Next is the speech writing. Speech writing now, first para intro is very important, like good morning to one and all, then write, and last line, last paragraph, first last should be perfect. And here also you have to write 3 or 4 paragraphs, that's enough for you. Later also 3 para, already watch my video especially with regarding the letter I have made it. And view, counter view also there. They also just depend upon you, 2 or 3 paragraphs whatever you are writing. But speech writing, write 3 or 4 paragraphs. That will be better for you. Yeah. So by this way 18 minutes you have to give for question number 5 also. 5 only, no 2 parts, only 1 part is there. 6 question number 6, 2 parts are there. So 18 plus 18. Okay. For A also give 18 minutes, B also give 18 minutes. Next is here the creative writing. In creative writing, what is there? That is the first expansion of ideas. Proverb, maxims, quotations, slogans, anything might be given to you. All questions for 5 marks. What will you do? Here you have to decide which one is better for me. Expansion of idea or the news report. In expansion of ideas, what do you do? First thing that any topic will be given to you and you have to expand it, right? Proverb, maxim, quotation, slogan, whatever is there. like it is the clean city, green city, that question might be there. Okay, where there is a will there is a way, a thing of beauty, a thing of beauty, joy forever, any topic might be give you, tit for tat. Okay, so what is there? So you have to do one thing here. You have to write minimum 3 or 4 paragraphs. First paragraph write the theme, second paragraph give examples, third paragraph also you can give example, and last paragraph just the concluding paragraph. Next, news report. Here the students prefer mostly the expansion of ideas, because news report what is there, no, general report and news report both are different. Like any incident is there, you have to write about that, how happened, like car accident on the road, so just how car collided with another vehicle, what happened. And but one thing is there, news report now write everything in the past tense. For both now the expansion of ideas and news report, watch my videos, I have made separate videos just for them. And everything the past tense, and here the starting date line, all these things should be there. Last question is the story writing. Develop a story or narrating an experience. Both are okay. Both are okay. You can select anyone. But here one thing will be there. Either beginning line will be given or the ending line will be given to you. Like beginning line there, one day I got up early in the morning and I saw dot dot dot. And if the last line is given, dot dot will be there. Thank God, just my life was being secured. So this way you have to frame what happened. But one thing don't forget, title. Don't forget to give title, because title is very scoring marks are there especially for the title. So frame the title, give some examples, and later 4 paragraphs are enough for this story and experience both. So this way you have to complete within 18 minutes, especially all these things. Yeah, come to the next point. Yeah, here is what just I have summarized your timing which you are giving especially for the paper, right? 3.5 hours already I said you, 210 minutes. Yeah, here the what language study I said you give 15 minutes, passages 20 poem 10 and non-textual 25 marks per passage, 10 marks for the summary writing. A writing skill all 5 questions, creative and writing pacho mila ke all 5, 18 marks, 18. Okay, so this way total you are getting 200 minutes. Now remaining 10 minutes, what will you do? 10 minutes is very important for you. I am requesting you, you have to recheck the paper answer sheet 10 minutes. Okay, because otherwise if you write till last now, lot of mistakes might be there. Some students forget to write the sheet number in figure words. Okay, center number, lot of things are there. Holograph is not there, sticker is not there, so lot of problems might be there. You have to recheck the answer sheet whether any question number not written properly. Lot of problems might be there. Therefore you to just keep 10 minutes for rechecking of the answer sheet. So if this way you are completing the paper, of course I'm 100% sure you might get out of 80 more than 70 to 73. And 20 marks internal is there also you might will get better marks, I hope so. So of course, so 90 plus, more than 90 you might get in English language will write the paper in this way. I hope your all doubts are clear now. All the best for your board exam, which is beginning, commencing from 29th April. So this video is especially for the what you know very well, according to the reduced portion. And if still any doubt is there, my email ID is there, you can send a message. At last, thanks for watching this video. Okay, I hope your all doubts are clear. You are welcome in Raj Grammar Center. If you still not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like the video, share with your friends, because it might be useful for a lot of people. Okay, all the best. May God bless you. Thank you.